Today we will see the laptop parts, different laptop parts. This is a laptop LCDs. It is a different type of laptop LCDs. It is 15.6 wide LED with a pin of 40 pin connections. You can see it is an LED connection will be like this. Okay. Now you can see the part number and model through this. You can identify if you want to replace any other LCDs, you can check this part number and identify the part number. This is an 15.6 inch wide screen. Second, another LCDs. This is one LCD. This is second LCD. It is also with an LCD connector. You can see it is in part number. There is different LCDs. You can see this is an LCD and different one, that is a 14 inch wide LED. This is 15.6 inch wide LED with the extra large of this. You can see the size of different LCDs. It is larger than these LCDs. We can measure the LCD size with rectangle side. We can measure the LCD from here to here, like that we can measure the LCD size. So it is another LCDs. It is an 15 inch 20 pin LCD connection. Its connection is like this. You can see the connectors. Here is a pin type connections is there. Its cable is different. Okay, this is a 20 pin connections. Another LCD is 30 pin. That is a 1530s. Its part number will be, we can see the part number from here. Its part number is here. You can identify the part number and the model. You can also see the model number, what type of 1504 you can identify, and its connection is like this. You can check the connections like this. It is an 30 pin LCD connections. This is one different. Here you can see it is a CCFL connections. You can give the power through the inverter to the CCFL. CCFL will be inside of this LCD. In LED there is a no CCFL connections. For CCFL this is a different connection for LED power. In LED LCD there is a no CCFL power connections. You can see there is a no CCFL. Only the bulb will be here on LED connection, and it is a 40 pin. This is an old LCD with the CCFL connection. You can see the CCFL connections here. You can see the part number. It is in bold indicated 15.4 wide. Okay, and it's a part number. You can also identify. It has a connection like this. You can see the connections. It will be pin will be there, and it is a 30 pin connections. Most of the pin is unused, but we have to connect the same pins. In some LCDs there is a problem due to the LCD's cable, or some presetters is also there. You can see the presetters here. It is for the presetters. If you can touch it, then sometime display comes or something will be there. And there is a ICs on the LCDs. These are the section of LCDs power connections. So this is an LCDs of laptop. Different LCDs. One LCDs, that is a 15.4. Another is a 14 point wide. Another is a 30 pin, and another is a 20 pin. And one is an LCD LED. LED will be like this. It has in connections. Okay, you can see that it is as a belt, like simple belt will be there. Here is our connections for the roll alignment. Two type of connections are there. So this is an 15.6 inch LED 40 pin connections are there. So we have seen this is an LCD, and in this you can see that CCFL tube is there. We can check the CCFL tube. It will be connected like this. Okay, the CCFL tube will be like this, and the connection will be like this. This tube is in between LCD connection here. You can see it will be here inside. There will be a CCFL tube. To give the power to CCFL, they will use inverter, and inverter gives an AC power about 700 watt from DC 12 watt. So to supply the CCFL, we require the AC power, and AC power will be supplied by the laptop inverters.